Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. This one's a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We just acquired it off lease from Infiniti Financial Services. Being an Infiniti store, we get first dibs on off-lease vehicles before they go to auction, where everyone can bid on them, like CarMax and Carvana and a lot of other dealerships. This one being a local one-owner clean Carfax, 26,333 miles. We definitely would love to have this one for inventory. I'm the pre-owned manager here at Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm responsible for the majority of our acquisitions, and I'm very picky about what I buy for our store, especially Infinitis. I've been with Infiniti retailers for 15 years. I know the right option packages, the color combinations that people look for, and I specifically target ones that are at the very least from the West Coast, and more aggressive on ones that are local vehicles from the Pacific Northwest. And I really try to stay away from vehicles that have accidents or damage reported in the Carfax report. I see a lot of other stores bid on those cars, but of course we'll take them in on trade, but I do not like to try buying them if I can help it. Sometimes when you have vehicles that have accidents on the Carfax report, even though they're under warranty, it could have damage that would cause some things to be voided. I've ran into vehicles that seem really nice. They have had minor damage on the Carfax report, but a component was broken due to that accident and it couldn't get fixed under warranty. So it's definitely something to keep in mind when you're doing vehicle searches. And if you do buy a vehicle that does have accident or damage reported in the Carfax, it's a good idea to know the extent of it and you know, how bad it was. Most body shops can look at a vehicle and tell you that. This Q50 has a drive mode selector that makes changes to throttle sensitivity, transmission shift points, traction stability control settings. You have snow, eco, standard, sport, and personal. You have a 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration at a turn or corner when accelerating up a hill. You can pull the shifter all the way back. You can put it to the left, and that puts it in manual shift mode. You can push up for upshifts, back for downshifts, and it provides rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. The Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for clock, Bluetooth connectivity, rear parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, with universal garage door opener. The steering wheel tilts and it telescopes, so it goes up and down and in and out. This one only has 26,333 miles. Also features a Bose Performance Series audio system. If you like music, you'll love that Bose audio system. Really nice color combination as well. Graphite gray on stone. The lighter interior is a little bit more rare on the Infinitis. I'd say probably 60, if not 70% of people opt for like the dark graphite interior, which is black, which looks great, but some people like a little bit brighter, happier colors instead of the black dark interiors, especially in our overcast climate. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it is intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, 100% of the power is sent to the rear wheels. This is a performance automobile, so it gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It also helps with premature tire wear. If the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's going to chew through your tires faster. And if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's also going to reduce your gas mileage. So that's why they have that 100% rear-wheel drive bias. But this car has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions. So as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Really does amazing in the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest, and it definitely increases your wet weather performance. With 300 horsepower, a rear-wheel drive version of this car can quickly get overwhelmed, especially in wet, slippery conditions. The traction control system is going to kick in way before you can put that power to the ground. But with the all-wheel drive, it's just the opposite. This thing just grips and goes. It is amazing. And of course, if you're going to drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive, which comes standard on the Q50. The all-wheel drive system has been used for a very long time in many Infiniti products. Originally, it derived from an older version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. Dual exhaust system for a sportier sound and more aggressive stance. This one has tinted windows that were added by the previous leasee. The Q50 is built on a sports car platform, also shared with the Q60. The Nissan 370Z is built on this platform. Some previous Infinitis like the G35, G37, Coupe and Sedan were also built on this advanced front midship platform. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they place the engine as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps improve your performance and handling and feel through the corners. This feature is a direct injection twin turbo V6 engine making 300 horsepower. It's more fuel efficient and it has a little bit more better torque and power delivery than the 3.7 liter V6 it replaces. Beautiful styling. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility, and this one is backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. And who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Our techs work on these vehicles all the time. They're very familiar with them. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.